What's that, Doge? Alright guys, big day for me. Finally decided to buy a hydrofoil. I ended up getting the Hyperlite. I forgot what it's called, but it's like the 24-inch mast. It's like a good beginner, intermediate foil. Came in yesterday. Had to wait to open it up. Look at that. It's even got my name on it from Wake Makers. Let's get this thing unboxed, and next time I see you, we'll be on the water. All right. Ooh. I had no idea it was in a bag. Oh my gosh. All right. Here's what we got. Oh, it's Liquid Force. I don't know what I said. Liquid Force foils. 1-year warranty. Which one did I get? I'll put the link in the description on Wake Makers. All right, Doge, that's enough. This is Doja Cat, by the way. My little tortie cat. Me and my wife's little tortie cat. All right, looks like it comes with a little toolkit. All the hardware you need to put this thing together. The reason why I went with Liquid Force is because much like my previous hydrofoil I made, everything's modular. So this comes with a 24-inch mast, and I think standard is like a 36-inch or something. So if at some point in time I want to upgrade or change the front wing or whatever, all the Liquid Force parts work with all the Liquid Force hydrofoils. So, and it's the most budget-friendly option. All right, Doge, let's get out of here. Let's check the rest of this out. Oh man, look at that. Look at that bag. Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. Carbon fiber. I thought mine looked pretty good, but this looks very nice. Oh man. Let's put that back in here. Doja, don't tear this up. Don't tear this one up. Here, you want some, let me find some plastic for you. Here's the rear wing. This stuff has kind of got some weight to it. I'm surprised. So it looks like the front wing is carbon fiber, and this one's like, must be fiberglass. It's nothing near as special and finished, but it's the rear wing, so I guess it doesn't matter as much. All right, what else we got? All right, so this looks like the fuselage. Whoa. This is like solid machined aluminum. That's crazy. I would have figured that'd be fiberglass or carbon fiber as well. Wow. Wow, this is high quality. Not that I have much experience with hydrofoils anyway, but I'm just kind of surprised at how beefy everything is. All right, Doge, here you go. That's the end that I ripped off. Hey, look, come here. Go over there. All right, let's get her out of here. And what do we got in here? This must be... everything else. Oh man, all of this is aluminum. That's crazy. As many videos as I've watched and stuff, I didn't know what to expect. I just didn't think it would be this sturdy. So I got some arrows right here. Sorry, I didn't mean to flip you off. Got some arrows right here, so that's to the front of the board. So it looks like that slides into here.
Looks like it has some Loctite on the ends of these. Probably good if you guys know, probably still end up putting Loctite on everything. Hey, can you go somewhere else? Alright, so we got those on. Let's get this rear wing on. Looks like it just sits just Oh, yeah. These are some sturdy little star bits. And the front. Let's drop that. Alright, it's got a little Made in China sticker. We will take that off. It's kind of some Made in China stickers all over this thing. Mine was made in America, but it didn't work. So. Alright. Ooh. Get that. Alright, number 8 is M6 25mm. So they need to work on their instructions a little bit. And that's this one right here. Alright.
Look at, oh my god. This thing's pretty heavy. My other one floated. It was buoyant. Oh, sorry, Doge. Anyway, there we go. The Liquid Force. I don't know what the full name of it is. It's got all these pages on how to set up for your board. And once again, if you see my other videos, I'm using this white old surfboard that I had. Look at that. Okay, here we go. That's the maintenance. So here's where we have, extremely important to loosen or remove all screws after a session. This will help prevent salt corrosion buildup on the, well, I'm in a dirty old lake, so after every 5, oh wow, hey, stop doing that. So that's a dielectric grease on there. So I'll make sure to read this because this is a pretty sturdy piece of hardware. But what do we think? What do we think? Is this going to be worth it this summer over at Pickwick Lake? What do you think, Doge? Hey. Okay. All right. All right. Let's go get on the boat. All right, guys, we're on the water. We're going to give it a few goes. The speed's at 9. So we'll see if I can get up and try to ride it a couple times. All right,